They don't know this about me, but I like eggnog, so this is an easy
You
one.
do? Wait, you told us you didn't know!
I'm playing the game now.
Merry Christmas, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Annalise.
And I'm Mike.
And this is Mike Tries Episode 3, Christmas Edition. So this time around, we're gonna do some Christmas-themed food, which is harder to find than it sounds. All right, number 1, boiled custard.
Kind of looks gross to me.
Why?
Because it has like this little bubble in the middle.
I know the bubble won't go away. So how would you rate this appearance?
Like a 4 out of 10.
Okay, that's not bad.
Because of the bubbles.
That's not terrible. Yeah, the bubble is like really...
I just hope it doesn't taste like buttermilk. I got a good mouthful. Ah! Ew, it's weird.
No?
Ugh.
It's not bad. It's like
Ew.
way sweeter than I thought it was gonna be.
I keep getting weird aftertastes. Oh, no.
No?
Oh.
It's a no, it's a no, it's a no, no, no. Okay, what would you rate this?
At first 4, but now like 3.5.
Oh,
The second sip.
It dropped to half.
The second sip was 2. I need some water after that.
Shout out to Travis for this suggestion.
Yeah.
He doesn't like it though. Sorry, T-Money. Next up we have rice pudding.
It looks nasty. It's like baby vomit.
Okay, what do you think appearance-wise? Go ahead and
What do you think?
rate the appearance. Yeah, it's not that pretty.
2.5 out of 10.
Okay, 2.5 out of 10.
Oh. I like the taste, but oh man, the cottage cheese part. Ugh.
Wait, but you like cottage cheese though. How can you get over the texture of cottage cheese and not this?
I don't know, but I would never put that on my plate.
Okay, and what would you rate this?
3 out of 10.
3
because
out of 10.
the taste brought it up. The texture brought it way down.
Gotcha, gotcha.
Oh, baby bite.
No.
Yeah, see? Okay.
Rice pudding. No. This one is also a Thanksgiving classic. Our number 3 is turkey with cranberry sauce.
It looks like you ruined the turkey. Why would you ever put cranberry on a turkey? Oh. Oh my god.
Do you need a bucket? So, what'd you think?
Ooh, 1.5.
It's alright. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so here we go. Lastly, we have some Black Forest.
Ham.
Black Forest cake, a German cake dish thing, cherries
dessert.
and chocolate. That's what it's about.
Looks really good.
Yeah?
That's like a straight 10 out of 10 in my book. It's good. It's like too cherry tasting.
Yeah.
I don't like it actually.
He doesn't like it.
Damn, I was really looking forward to liking that. It wasn't as good as it looks. I'm not gonna lie. It was like a 6 out of 10 as far as cakes go. The density and like I would say the density was good, but the cherry throws off the chocolate. It's not like a good blend. They should have had chocolate mousse in there. I would have.
So this is just a bonus because they were on sale and I thought, huh, I've never tried that before.
Ooh, they look double stuffed.
They are double stuffed.
Oh wow. Whoa. They smell like Thin Mints.
Candy cane double filled Kaleidos? This would be really good in ice cream. Oh, but there's like, do you feel that? There's like
little candy cane pieces? Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like throwing me off.
Yeah, I don't like that. What would you rate that?
4 or 5.
Kaleidos.
Wow. Interesting. Not as much as a bonus as we thought.
Here are all the things we tried today. So we're gonna go ahead and rate these just like we have every time before. Go
Worst
ahead.
to best or best to worst? Worst to best.
Worst to best.
Number worst. The worst one was this one.
Number worst.
Oh, just smell it. Yeah.
Cranberry sauce turkey is the worst out of these.
I don't like this one. Second worst.
Okay, second worst is the boiled custard. Sorry, Travis.
And this one right behind the boiled custard.
They kind of just, they taste the same with
It's
different
like-
textures.
You could scoop this in there and be the same thing. These were kind of gross. These weren't good. And then this one was the best today, but I still wasn't really too fond of it. It looks really great, but it didn't live up to its expectation when it came to tasting it.
Do you want some more turkey?
No.
Are you sure?
No. Alright guys, the third episode of Mike Tries is a wrap.
Christmas edition.
We're really happy that this one's over with. I only think I thought about puking once this round, which is...
That's good. That's a good thing. Comment below if you have any ideas for Mike of what we should force feed him.
Yeah.
We hope you guys are having a great holiday with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching. We put out videos every Wednesday. I'm Annalise.
I'm Mike.
And we'll see you guys next time. Cheers. We hope you guys are having a very, very merry holiday.
Whoa. Thank you guys for watching.
Thank you guys for watching.